Komisi Bentah Jikun Persya daki pulit jong kejela nak bentah ban penduk jai yau drok sebelah jelai bah hapoh kejela Meghalaya ya kabah ke imlang salang kamla ban priang setia ki pulit kelayo ban rejistar mukotduma Haduh sispak Haduh tuli ki baidai bat ki kam khai drok naduh snem arjar arpuar. Habai keren bat gilar pthai kubor Dr. Lajaram Bisnoy Director General of Police Ulong habai nujor haki sanpo snem ki balalik no bat nadu snem arjar puar ka jingyo kemyo drugs bat ki mukotduma bal register hapoh ka narcotic drugs and psychotropic substance act ka kiu bun sha bha manta.
NDPS cases, that is cases related with the drugs recovery, arrest and seizure, etc. So in 2022, total 116 cases were registered. So if you compare the yearly cases for last 50 years after the formation of the states from the 1972 onward, so this is the highest number of the cases registered under NDPS Acts. We have arrested 234 number of persons in the year 2022. This is also the highest for last 50 years. Then we have seized nearly 60 vehicles used by the drug traffickers, and those vehicles we are trying to impound under the NDPS new chapter 5 so that these vehicles can be permanently disposed of and the sale proceeds can be deposited into the treasuries. Other than that, in 2022, 187 number of mobile phones were seized, and after the analysis of CDRs, etc., that helped us a lot, and we found the network of the drug traffickers operating in the state of Meghalaya and other state of Northeast. We have seized nearly 7.5 kg heroin in the year 2022, and 1 kg heroin is sufficient for 2,000 drug addicts. So you can say that 7.5 kg means the 15,000 drug addict doses we have prevented. And out of this, from May to December, we have seized 7 kg, and before May, only 500 grams. So seizures have gone up after the May 2022. We have seized nearly 4,000 kg cannabis. That is also a huge figure, and it has broken all the earlier records. Methamphetamine tablets is a very, very dangerous drugs because it is a manufactured drugs. It is not a natural drugs prepared in the factories, etc. So methamphetamine tablet, we have seized nearly 12,900 tablets in the year 2022. Other than that, we have also seized tramadol tablets and other psychotropic tablets, nearly 29,000 tablets. The cup syrup is also a problem, particularly in the districts having the Bangladesh borders, because the cup syrups are generally coming to the northeast from the Himachal Pradesh and the Goa and Delhi, because factories are located in Himachal Pradesh. So because of pilferage of the cup syrup, some of the cup syrup manufacturers divert towards the Bangladesh border. So our districts are also equally vulnerable as far as the drug trafficking of cup syrup is concerned. So we have seized nearly 28,700 bottles during the 2022. Other than that, we have seized 37 lakh rupees cash, and that has broken all the earlier records. And most of the seizures, 80% of the seizure is done after May 2022. So this is nearly the seizures under various head in 2022. And if you analyze every month seizure, so it has gone up as compared to the earlier figure. In 2023, our number of cases have gone up. In 2022, every month, on an average, 10 to 11 cases were registered under NDPS. But in 2022, till today, January, February, and till 10th March, our average registration every month has gone up to 15 cases. So number of cases has increased. In the first 70 days, 35 cases have been registered. We have arrested 80 number of persons in 2023. Just less than 2.5 months, 80 number of drug traffickers are arrested. 31 vehicles seized, including high-end vehicles also. Then 94 number of mobile phones seized in 2.5 months only. Then heroin, 3.2 kg heroin in 70 days periods. Then ganja nearly 140 kg. And the tablets seizure has gone up like anything, and it has broken all the earlier 50-year records, 60,000 tablets in 2.5 months. Then the 22,000 bottle of cup syrups were also seized, mainly from the Garo Hills and the other districts having the border with Bangladesh. Other than that, in the first 70 days, we have seized 28 lakh rupees cash. So cash seizure in 2022 and 2023 till today has gone up 65 lakh rupees.